How to get Peacock on LG Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to get Peacock on an LG Smart television. First, make sure your LG Smart TV is connected to the internet and running WebOS version 3.5 or higher. Most LG TVs made from 2017 onwards will work. From the home screen, press the home button and navigate to the LG Content Store. Once inside, go to the search bar and type in Peacock. If your TV is compatible, the Peacock app will show up in the results. Click on it and then select Install. After the app finishes installing, open it. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Peacock account, or if you don't have one yet, you can create one either on the TV or by using a phone number or computer at peacocktv.com. Peacock offers a free trial with ads, or you can upgrade to Premium or Premium Plus for more shows, movies, and live events with fewer or no ads. If you don't see the app in your LG Content Store, your TV might be running an older version of WebOS. In that case, you can still watch Peacock using a streaming device, like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast, plugged into your TV's HDMI port. So whether you can use the native app or go through a streaming device, you can get Peacock working on your smart LG TV.